former Miss SA Tamaryn Green pens appreciation note to Mzansi. Tamaryn Green has taken to her social media to pen down an appreciation message after she officially ties the knot with her Simphiwe. Over the weekend, the star could not be more grateful after seeing her family and friends come together to celebrate with her. Green has flooded social media with photos from the ceremony. She went on to say that she woke up this morning to the sound of rain and remembers thinking it owes God showing them with his blessings. She also said she is so happy to have introduced her new family and friends to her man. Woke up on this morning to the sound of rain and I remember thinking this is God showering us with his blessings. It might be a Monday day, but so it will be. Then at 11 a.m., just as our event started, the clouds gave way and the beauty of my hometown revealed itself as the sun shone down on us. I'm so happy to have introduced my new family and friends to Paul. Green concluded by thanking everyone for all the wishes. I could not have asked for more fun, loving special day celebrating with God at the center. Thank you to everyone for all the well wishes. We really appreciate it.